have tested hundreds of different blushes. These were the 5 that were on my face the most for 2025. Rhode Toasted Teddy was for sure one of my favorites this year. I loved wearing this year round. Just gave a really beautiful bronzy sun-kissed look. I love the formula of the Rhode blushes. They're super creamy, really easy to work with. I just love a super glowy skin-like blush formula. Another blush that is similar in shade to the Rhode Toasted Teddy is this Huda Beauty Latte. Definitely one of my most used. I really love all of the Huda Beauty blushes. I used a lot of them consistently, but specifically this shade. I just love a bronzy blush. This one lasts a long time too. The Rare Beauty blushes will just always be a staple of mine. The formula of these is incredible. The blend on it, because it's so pigmented, the product will last you for forever. And Happy is just one of my all-time favorite shades. It's so beautiful. This is the Westman Atelier Coquette blush. I love all of the shades, but this one over the summer, I wore it all the time. It's this really pretty peachy pink, and this formula is one of the best cream blush formulas ever. It's so beautiful. Lastly, Patrick Tosh She's Seductive. This is one of my favorite neutral blushes. I wore this all the time as my everyday blush, and I love the Patrick Tosh blushes because it comes with a powder as well, and you guys know I love a 2-in-1 product. All right, you guys, here is the final look. I want to know, what was your top used blush for 2025?